Howdy, howdy, everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome to day number 30. We've only got two left. We almost missed it. We, we, we got a little under an hour here to get this video going. So today I figured we had something special happen yesterday. We had a really nice live stream with 18 people watching. I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but that's twice as many as we've had pretty much up to now. So we had some really solid people on there. So thank you for joining. But we did a lot of card stuff. And here's the interesting thing was we actually had at the same right as we were finishing up, maybe well actually there's a little bit of time there. Vineet had uploaded over at Card Mechanic his last video for his Featuring You week, which was for the ACR, the Ambitious Card Routine. So, and he featured me on that on his channel. So go ahead and check that out. We actually did an updated version of the Ambitious Card Routine on the live stream that was similar. Plus, I've done a video where I break down the components of that, so you can go watch that as well. But you can check out the Card Mechanic. But in light of all of that, our trick for today is actually going to be with the Canis Lupus, and it's actually going to be the first trick that I learned from Vineet when I started watching him a couple months ago. Okay, so let's give the deck a nice little mix. Okay, here we go. Now this is a prediction trick. So what I actually get to do here is I actually get to go through the cards. And these are some beautiful looking cards here. And I get to pick out two different cards. And we're gonna do something with them here. So there's one right there. And we're thinking, oh, I like that one. I like that one there. Yeah, I think these are the two that we're gonna go with right there. We'll put them down there. Okay, now here's the interesting part. So I do have a nice little cameraman here, but we're gonna do everything in my hands here. Okay, I'm gonna feel it out, right? I'm gonna feel it out for my prediction. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 cards down. Okay, we're gonna go with 6. We're gonna go with 7. Okay, we got 7 cards down. David, go ahead and pick a number. Try to keep it small. We don't want to be here all day. We only got half an hour left.
6.
6. Okay, we're gonna put 6 more cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that good? Are you happy with that?
I'm good.
Okay. So now we're going to take the first card here, and we're going to put it face up, and we're going to set that right on top of it. So Jack of Clubs right there. Give it a nice little even up here. Now, for the next one, we're going to do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go with 5 this time. Go ahead and pick a number.
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we get our second card right there. There's a 7. We're going to drop that right on top. Give it a nice little square up just like that. Now we're going to give the cards a nice little cut. Okay, pretty fair. Are you happy with that? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come through here. And we've got my first prediction right there. We got my second prediction right there. Okay. How impressed would you be if my predictions became accurate here? Pretty impressed. Okay, yeah, he's a great cameraman. Okay, so we got the Jack of Clubs, and the Jack of Spades. Not only that, but we got the 7 of Hearts, and we got the 7 of Diamonds. Whew. Good stuff, right? But we've actually added a second phase to this trick. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So these 2 cards right here, okay, and these 2 cards right here. So these 2 cards represent my prediction cards. These cards helped me find your 2 cards. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take your 2 cards right here. We're going to put them back into the deck. This represents where they were when we first did this, right? Okay, they were in the deck. Now we're going to take my prediction cards, my locator cards, and we're going to mix them up because we got a Jack on top, so we're going to put a Jack on bottom. We've got a 7 on bottom, so we're going to put a 7 on top, just like that. You see all that? Does that look pretty good? Okay, just those are still right in the middle there. As we close that up, now take a quick look here So we snap our fingers and something magical has happened, right? Because like I said, those cards were actually, those are my prediction cards. They were my indicator cards. Those are the cards that helped me find your cards. As you can see, there's your 7 right there on the bottom. Okay. If you look here, there's your Jack, right? Okay. What that means is that right here in the middle, these must be my cards, right? Once again, they've helped me find your 2 cards. Okay. Now, the question is that my card or is that your card? So that's my card right there. And right here on the bottom is my other card. And your cards are once again back where they started from. So there you have it. There is my addition to that trick. That's actually 2 phases. There is a 3rd phase, which I actually have to find it. It's archived in some video messages that I've sent to David. We were just practicing and just putting some time into it. I think we were going back and forth for a couple hours talking about the switch out. So yes. There's actually a 3rd phase to that I will probably get into next month sometime. And there you have it. So thank you, Vineet, over at Card Mechanic, for featuring me. Thank you for the Canis Lupus. Awesome playing cards. We're probably going to look at doing some more paying it forward in the future, as long as that stays up on the website. And yeah, just remember, stay positive, stay active, and stay awesome. And we'll see you in the next one.